Okay, well, thank you for joining me for Online Valentine, which is the virtual version of another event that I run called Offline Valentine. You can probably tell what the difference is between the two. Online Valentine is the virtual event, which we're going to be showing you an example of now, and the people here with me are going to be playing, so it's a sharing game. The offline version takes place in capital cities around Australia. But at the moment, because COVID-19 has changed the way we socialize, I have designed this event to take place online. So we're going to show you an example of how to play Online Valentine. The questions will appear behind me and everyone will get a chance to share their answer, and then we'll move on to the second question, and again everyone will get a chance to share their answer, and this is a really good way of creating connections. There are 36 questions to this game, so we probably won't get through all 36 questions, but they're going to at least help us to generate some really engaging conversation and help us to get to know each other in this virtual event. The first question is, given the choice of anyone in the world, whom would you want as a dinner guest? So, Kelly, would you like to go first?
Yeah, sure. Given the choice of anyone in the world, I think up until recently, but I'd choose Elton John. I'd really like to have Elton John as a dinner guest. I haven't seen the movie Rocket Man, and I saw the shots of it, and what an incredible life. So yeah, he would be my dinner guest.
Awesome. And you said until recently, does that mean that he might have done something?
No, I just hadn't really, I hadn't actually thought about it. And when I saw the movie, I thought, yeah, he'd be highly, apart from the obvious, in terms of the singing and the great songs, just such a flamboyant and interesting character of a person that you'd want to spend the night just literally either singing songs or dancing or hearing about his amazing life. So yeah.
I'd probably annoy him by being like, can you sing another Lion King song, please?
Yeah.
Cool. Thank you for sharing. Dean?
No worries.
I really struggled with this one. I just don't know. Do they have to be alive?
No, it can be anyone. It can even be like a cartoon character or...
Yeah, no, I think I'd want somebody who was real, someone, I could talk to. I've been watching a bit of Marx Brothers movies lately. I'm going to go with Groucho Marx.
Yeah.
Do you know who he is?
Yeah.
I just think he was a really... Sorry?
I've heard of the name, but I'm not sure.
Name some
Need to
movie.
educate. Name a movie. Night at the Opera. He's like from the 30s, from the 1930s.
Yeah.
I mean, he died a long time ago. If I can find a picture, I'll put one up. But they were a fascinating bunch, and they're hilariously funny, like cutting and just smart as. And I think they'd be great dinner.
Yeah.
It'd be mayhem. Anyway.
Maybe we could do a movie night, like a virtual movie night, and you can just like air the video for us and we can all have an education.
Oh, sure, that's possible. Oh, you've got me. I'm going off to do that right now.
I would like to have dinner with Jacinda Ardern. One's pretty recent as well, I think. Like, I think in the aftermath of the Christchurch shootings and...
Jacinda Ardern.
Yeah, Jacinda Ardern.
Someone
in the aftermath of the Christchurch shooting, she was like really empathetic and really strong, and find that pretty inspiring. And I'd like to find out more about that, so about how she comes to making decisions, what she weighs up, what she thinks about, and stuff like that.
Is this New Zealand's Prime Minister?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Thank you. I'm so dumb when it comes to like news and politics. You'll have to like give me a little bit more information, guys. Thanks for sharing, Pat. Rosie!
That's a good one. I like that.
Mine
Thanks, Steve.
isn't famous. I would love to have dinner with my nana. She passed away when I was 7, but there are so many questions I'd love to ask her, especially with family issues happening right now. But yeah, that's who I'd love to have dinner with.
I can change my answer. Can I change my answer? I think my great grandfather who came out to Australia, you know, way back.
Oh,
That'd be
wow, yeah.
cool. That how interesting would that be to talk to?
Yep.
Yep.
What was going on that long ago?
Yep.
Interesting.
Yeah, it would be.
It's funny because
Anyway.
I've gone through these questions maybe like 3 or 4 times with people, or maybe 5 now.
Mm.
I change my answer every time I hear someone else's answer. I'm like, oh yeah, that's that person. I want to choose that person. But maybe the last time I did this, I settled on who I would actually really like to invite to dinner. And it was also someone that I was close to who's passed away, many years now, maybe like 15 years ago. So yeah, my best friend when I was about 21, Jason, I would love to invite him for dinner. So excellent. Now I gotta